Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram application. So basically this feature is used to hide the likes count on every content that you watch or even your content. So to do that, you just need to open your Instagram and please take a look on this bottom side over here and just visit your profile section. In this profile section, you just need to click this three straight line on the top right corner. Just go click it and visit your setting and privacy, and now you just need to scrolling down, and there will be a sections called what you see over here, and then you just need to take a look on the last part, which is the like and share counts. So you just need to go click it and make sure that this button is on. So if this button is off with this gray color on your phone, you just need to click back until the color is changed, either green or blue. And whenever you're done, now you just need to go back and enjoy. That is the way how to hide likes in Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.